Hey everyone, thanks for joining me here at Living It Country. Today I have the Fab Fit Fun box, and this is actually my first box ever. I'm so excited, and this is their Winter 2019 edition. And if you guys aren't familiar with Fab Fit Fun, it is a quarterly subscription box where you receive 8 to 10 full-size products that are either fitness related or skincare, hair, and I'm all about my skin and hair. I love taking care of it, or at least attempting to. So I'm excited to see what's inside here. And these boxes go for $49.99, but you can save $10 off and get your box for $39.99 with the code 10HOLLY. So I'll put that down in the links below if you want to get one as well. So I'm gonna give you guys a spoiler alert and see what's inside my box. I have absolutely no clue what's inside, haven't opened it yet. But we are going to get unboxing this together. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, here's the reveal. One thing I'm loving about this box is how cute is the actual box. I kind of want it as wrapping paper for my Christmas presents. It's really cute. Little farmhouse house. Our house actually looks like this with the dormers. That's so sweet. So when you open up your box, you're gonna get a magazine by Fab Fit Fun. This is their Winter 2019 box, and I think in here you get some spoiler alerts. So I might save this till the end. There's some products in here. I'm gonna save this till the end, but this is pretty cute. Okay, let's see what this is. It looks like a sort of filter. Okay, it's a purple mattress. The brand Purple, so it looks like it's a sample of what the mattress would feel like. And so you have a discount code in here for $100 off a purple mattress. Very, very nice. So these are just basically some perks to getting the box, some coupons off. We have the Sterling Forever coupon for $30 off. Okay, and then we have the HelloFresh right to your door food service. I've tried a similar brand and loved it. And I think this would be so fun to try. So $90 off, $90 gift card. Okay, and then we have Save This For You, Fab Fit Fun. Pass this on to a friend. Get started with $15 off your box. If you are a friend of mine and don't want $10 off but want $15 off, comment below, let me know. I'll give you the $15 off, the $15 off code. So that's gonna make your first box 35 bucks. Pretty awesome, I like that. Okay, you guys, let's get unboxing even more. So excited. Oh, you can win a box by sharing a picture of this with the hashtag FabFitFun, hashtag FabFitFun. Very cool. Look how pretty this is. I love this. Oh, I see some really fun stuff. Oh, I see some stuff that my kids are gonna even love too. Okay, so here we go, unboxing. I'm so excited. Okay, so first off we have, let's see, Face for All face and eye mask set. Oh my gosh, I think I told you guys at the beginning, but I'm obsessed with face masks and masks for my hair. It's one of those things that I do kind of to take some time as a mom to just relax. Showers are like my all-time favorite thing too. Let's open this up and actually see what's inside. Let's see how many is in there, because I know it's full size. I know when I buy face masks, I get them in like a 4-pack or 6-pack, and so sounds like it's a lot more. We've got 25% off code for your next order in here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have clarifying face mask, the brightening, the antioxidant, the age-defying, these are always good ones, hydrating, exfoliating, and this is the renewal eye mask. So really awesome. I'm so excited. I've never tried this brand. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have. So interested to hear about this. And Fab Fit Fun, I always watch on Facebook the ladies who open theirs up, and there's some always high-end products in here. So I've never heard of this one, but I'm so excited to try it. Let's see. Oh, this is cute. Guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. Oh, cute. This one is an original coffee scrub that exfoliates glowing skin. How fun. This is so cute. I am a sucker for cute packaging too. So you massage the scrub all over your body and you take a shower. You use 2 to 3 times. And this is by Frank Body. So excited. I love how these products are full size and not sample sizes. This is great. Okay, let's see. This is, I don't know how to say this, but it's LXMI. It's a pure melt. Oh, it's a nourishing balm to oil something. This is for, okay. Squeeze out balm and massage into skin. Use overnight as a facial mask or where needed on eyes and lips. I want to smell this. Let's just open this up while you guys are here. Let's open it up. I don't smell anything. So I'm not smelling anything, so. Ooh, it's really, really oily. This must be really good for my skin. Hi, you guys, here's my family. Hello. Hi. Hi, baby. Okay, that feels really nice. Hi, bye. Next we have, this looks like it's a hand wash. We have a hand and body wash, Calm and Clean by Yoga Ah. Oh, it's called Yoga Ah. And this is by the brand CUCCIO. Hi, you wanna unbox too? You wanna smell this?
Yeah.
Ooh, this smells so good. It has like a pepperminty, really natural smell. There's lavender oil, there's shea butter in it, and it's kind of just like that relaxing smell. I like this. Okay, oh yeah, okay. We have Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangular. This is gonna be great because our daughter gets really tangly hair, just like mommy here, because we've got really, really thick hair. You wanna open this up for me?
Yeah.
Okay, open that up for me. Thank you. So we got a makeup eraser. This is by Original Pink. And this is the #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Okay, that's awesome. I am the girl that sometimes gets so tired at night and I use like a makeup wipey to just take off my makeup really quick and then like conk out. And sometimes I don't wash my face, which is really bad. So I'm really excited to try this and maybe it'll get me out of a really bad habit. See, how do you use this? So you wash this in the washer. You wet it, you erase, and you exfoliate. Cool, I'm excited to try this. So your purchase is helping eliminate the 3rd most wasteful product in the world, which is wipes. I didn't know that. Okay, next we have For the Love of Not Fur. Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. And this is by Unhide. Oh, I've got to open this up. This is going on our couch. Oh yeah, when my husband and I met, we met in health class and yeah, go ahead.
Hi everyone. Cute box. Anyways, when we met back in 8th grade in health class. And the first or 2nd day, we had to make these custom book covers on all of our health books. And on the front of it, Holly wrote, Holly Hope Hudson Health Handbook.
Yep, and that's how we met.
And the first thing I thought was, that's a lot of freaking H's. So anyways, okay, bye-bye.
So this one, I don't know why because it's all F's. But mwah, love you.
It's all F's, yeah.
Brody, you wanna feel this? Look. Oh, it's so soft. So nice. Can you say cheese? Look at the camera, say cheese. Cheese. Do you like it? Let's see what this is. Some of these are really hard products to say, but this is the Erno Las Zillo New York Exfoliate and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. Yes, a clay mask, a mask, another mask. This had 2 things. I mean, I'm going to be covered for the next month of face masks. So do more for your pores. Okay, yep, I need that. This is awesome. Let's see what this looks like inside. We got so many products in this box, you guys. So there's supposed to be 8 to 10. Oh, it looks cute too. Look how cute that is. So apply evenly, layer to face, leave on for 10 minutes, allow face mask to dry for 3 times per week. Let's see. Oh, very florally, very fresh. Hi, BB. Okay, so we have 1 product, the mask, 2 products, mask, 3 product, 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7, yep, and we have 8. Woohoo! So, like I said earlier, if you guys want to score a Fab Fit Fun Winter 2019 box, use code 10HOLLY to save 10%. And like I said, if you want to be one of my friends, the one, I think it's only good for one, that gets the $15 off your first box, let me know in the comments below. And whoever says it first, I will give that to them. So thank you guys so much for watching Living It Country today. And I hope you guys have an awesome day and maybe enjoy some beauty products today. I'll see you guys later on Living It Country. Bye.